welcome back to another video, and today we got CodeCombat and we're going to be doing Kithgard gates. Okay, so let's get into the video. I don't want to waste your time, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's get into it. So we're going to be playing Kithgard gates, and let's see how fast we're going to beat it, and let's go. So the hero must survive and get out of the dungeon. Okay, so we're going to start the level, right? So he automatically moves down, and there's no way to defeat all those ogres. So honestly, you gotta build 2 more fences to escape. And what else? You need to hover over the map to find the XY coordinates to build XY. Okay, so technically this is how we're gonna do it. Alright, so as we're gonna play it, I'm gonna just show you the solution to beat this, and let's get into it. So as of right now, we need to build another fence. So we're going to put build XY, put in the parentheses and put in quotations, fence, right? As you put that in, you gotta put that comma, and then after you put the comma, you gotta put in the actual coordinates. Okay, so you want to put in 36. We want to put in 36, 31. So we're going to put in 36, 31, and close that off. We want to do the next one, the next fence, XY, and close this one, put fence right there. Then you want to make sure you put in comma, put 36, and this one should be 27. So we're going to put in 27, 28. I mean, it doesn't really have to be exact, but we're gonna put 27, and then we're gonna put hero.move right, and we gotta make him move right. It seems like 3 times, so we're gonna make him move 3 times, not hashtag 3 times. And this is how you do it. So to find like where you need to put the fence at, you gotta hover over these X's right here, and you will get your coordinates. And the first coordinate, right, is the coordinate that you need. Like the first coordinate would be 36, so you put that first, and then you'll put the other coordinate after it, right? So that's how you do this one, right? And then technically that's how you do it. So you'll put in the name of what you're trying to put down, or the fence, right? And you try to place down a fence, so you put the fence in 2 quotations, and then you'll put in the coordinates that you want to place the fence at. So you guys just hover over the X to find that. So when you find that, then you'll be able to be good, and you can actually run to the right. Okay, so let's start and let's run it. So he moves down. He put in a fence. He put another fence in. And he put another one in. So now, since I put in the coordinates, he gonna put the fence in that particular area. And that's how you beat Kithgard gates. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to share. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.